A rainy day harvest of Jamaican sorrel. Look how big y'all are getting. Oh yes, time to harvest you. Yes. Okay. Let me get busy harvesting some Jamaican sorrel. Yes. Come on. Get this one here. Nice, nice, nice. Make some nice tea with you. Yes. Come on, drop it here. I think I did this last one. Okay. Looking nice. Dropped another one. Where you went? Come on now. Get down there and find you. Jamaican sorrel harvest. Okay, collard greens. Y'all looking nice. Yes, you are. Be back to harvest you guys soon. Look at those beautiful leaves. Yes. Come on and get bigger for me. Okay, collard green. Looking nice. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And look over here. Mustard greens. Y'all looking good. Get ready to harvest you guys too. Okay, I see some more growing back there. Come on. Get bigger for us. Grow bigger. Okay, mustard greens, y'all looking nice. I need to get in here and harvest the spinach. Looking nice spinach. Look at my beautiful zinnias. Y'all still looking beautiful. Look at the white ones there and the pink ones. Okay, zinnias. Looking beautiful. Now let's go up here. Look at the okra. Okra still trying to grow. Trying to grow. Look at all of them big okras up there. I gotta get up there and get you. I see one right there. Okay, okra. Let me harvest you. Still see some blooms. Okay, okra. Yes, looking nice, looking nice. It's gonna be time to harvest some more bell peppers soon. Okay, bell peppers. Yes, yes, I see you down there. I see you. Look over there. Okay. Okay, bell peppers. Y'all looking nice. Looking nice. And look at here. Some more bell peppers growing over there too. Okay, gonna soon have another harvest of bell peppers. Look at these asparagus spears growing here. Boy, y'all still coming up. Yes, you are. Think I need to harvest you guys. Yes, I see you. Look way over there too. Yes, okay, asparagus. Looking nice. It's time for another harvest of jalapenos. Jalapenos, look at those jalapenos there. Okay, there They getting bigger there. I see you, I see you, I see you. Y'all everywhere again. Come on, jalapenos. Jalapenos. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. I see some small ones there. Y'all need to get bigger. And look at my chili peppers. I need to get some, do something with them before they dry up and I can't do anything with them. Put some, make some pepper sauce out of them. Okay, jalapenos. Jalapenos. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Looking nice. I think I may harvest a few of you guys right now. Let's look how big you done got. Okay. Yes. Looking nice, looking nice. Looking nice. And still have some blooms. I see you blooming there. Okay, okay. Y'all looking good, yes. Oh, look at you. Okay. Okay, jalapenos. Okay, y'all looking nice. Look at that, look at that. Okay, okay. I got you, I got you. Okay, a handful of that. Okay. Let's see. I didn't come out with me a little bucket this time. See how many I can hold in my hand. I got one more right there. Looking great, looking great. Just gonna see how many jalapeno peppers I can collect and put them in my shirt. Okay, let's see how many more. Okay, looking nice there. Got this branch here leaning. Oh, look at you down there. Oh, all of y'all. I gotta get all of y'all. Okay, let me finish. Oh boy, look at this red one over here. Oh, looking beautiful. Okay, jalapeno peppers. Let me collect some more, you guys. Let me harvest some more. Yes. I see two nice sized bell peppers here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and harvest today. Oh, look at that. Look at this one over here. Yes, y'all look nice. Let me go ahead and harvest you guys. Come on out. Okay. Let's see if, oh, that one just came right on off. Okay, two nice sized bell peppers. Yes. Let me get that one too. That one looked like a nice size bell pepper. Let me harvest some more Jamaican sorrel over here too. And on this side as well. Look how big they are getting. Oh, yes. Okay. More Jamaican sorrel to harvest. Look at my beautiful sweet potato bed. Oh, those leaves look so beautiful. Yes, they do. Come on, grow us a lot of sweet potatoes. And look over here, you guys. The lemons are coming out. Yes, they are. Come on, lemons. Get bigger for us. And look right here. Got a lot more blooming. Look at those lemons blooming there. Okay, come on, lemons. Y'all want to wait till it's almost about to get cold for y'all to start growing. So let's see if y'all gonna make it before it freezes on us here. Look at you. Bring us some more lemons. Okay, lemon tree. Come on, lemon. Admire your lemons. Who trying to finally grow? An eggplant. Okay, eggplant. I see you, eggplant. All your flowers blooming here on this plant. Y'all come on, it's time. Oh, look, one over here. Come on, eggplant. Time for y'all to produce. Y'all want to wait till everything seems like you want to wait till it's getting cooler to want to produce. But that's all right, y'all. Come on. Come on, eggplant. Grow for us. A rainy day harvest from Big Mama's garden. Some asparagus, bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, Jamaican sorrel, and some okra. Looking good. Yes, you are looking good.